Hi everyone, in this video I will show you that how you can fix HELLDIVERS 2 game is not launching on your PC. First solution is try this command only if crash on startup or not launching. Guys, first open up the Steam, then just click on the HELLDIVERS 2 game, then just click on the gear icon, go to game properties. Now here in the launch option just type -tx11. Once you type this command, now launch the game, check problem is 6 or not. If your game is not launching, then just type your -tx12. Now launch the game, then check still not launching, then just type your -d3t11. Now once you type it, now launch the game, then check your launching problem is fixed or not. If your problem is still not fixed, then just remove the launch option and just uncheck the box of Steam overlay while in game, then launch the game, then check. If your game is still not launching, then just go to the installed files you are seeing on the third, and once you click on that, now just click on the verify integrate your game files. It will take some time, so you just need to wait for it, then simply relaunch the game, then check your launch issue is fixed or not. If not, then just click on the browse option. Here simply locate your HELLDIVERS to game launcher or exe file of your game, so make a right click on it, go to its properties, go to the compatibility tab. Now here just uncheck this box and also uncheck this box and just check the box of administrator, click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Now if your game is not launching, then just check the box out disable full screen optimization you are seeing. Now just click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. If your game is still not launching, then just check the box of compatibility mode you are seeing on the top and choose the Windows 8 and just click on apply. Now launch the game, then check. Now if your game is still not launching, so the next solution that you can try is update your Windows or graphic card drivers. Go to your Windows search and type here the updates and open it. Guys, just click on this check for update option and update your Windows and make sure that your graphic card drivers are up to date. Once you update your Windows or graphic card driver, restart your PC, then launch the game, then check. Now try all of the solution, and I hope one of these fixes your problem, and if yes, please like this video and bye bye and take care.